Much awaited and delayed second list of Congress candidates for the upcoming polls has been released by the Congress party on Thursday. Baburao Chanchansur and N.Y. Gopalakrishna, two senior BJP leaders who had resigned their legislative council seats, have been given a berth. While Baburao has been fielded from Gurmitkal in Kalaburgi district, N.Y. Gopalakrishna is the Congress candidate from Mulakalamuru reserve seat for scheduled tribes. From the Udupi constituency, Prasad Raj Kanchan, the youth leader, has been given the election ticket to contest. As expected, Congress gave the ticket to a candidate from the Mogavira community. Prasad Raj has already started campaigning. For the Congress ticket from Udupi, 3 names were in the final list. Nevertheless, Prasad Raj Kanchan was the one who was selected. YSV Datta, who is senior JDS leader and former MLA from Kaddur in Chikkamangaluru district, is the right-hand man of JDS Supremo H.D. Devagowda. He has been denied the Kaddur district, which has now been given to Congressman Anand K.